Hiya, I'm Vicky and welcome to Pretty Little Claws. In today's video I'm going to do a spring inspired Beatrix Potter, Peter Rabbit and Jemima, a nice spring themed set of nails. Right, so I'm going to go in with the Urban Graffiti Ballet Shoes as a base coat. And I'm going to do 2 layers of that. And it'll be a really nice base for my characters. Getting as close to that cuticle as possible. Cap the free edge, you don't want lifting. And I'm going to do this to all of the nails. I haven't got close enough to the cuticle area, so I'm going to use the Neo 01 brush. Load a bit of polish, go around the cuticle. There you go, once you're happy, pop that under the lamp, 30 seconds please. Second coat. There we go, pop them in, another 30 seconds. And I do the 4 fingers first, and I'll do your thumb in a bit, just because I don't want it to run off the side of the nail. And with the Neo Nails Gel Residue Wipe Off Solution, I'm going to remove that sticky layer. Don't want no fluff sticking to it. And I'm going to paint this thumb just to match. Again, 2 coats, capping the free edge, 30 seconds under the lamp please. Second coat of Ballet Shoes, close to that cuticle area. Again, if you can't get close enough, just use a little brush. Cap it, back under lamp, 30 seconds. Remove that sticky layer so I don't forget later. So this nail, I'm going to use Snow White. I'm going to do Jemima Puddleduck. So I do my drawings in layers. So this is just like my base layer of her. So I'll do her all in white. And then pop that under, just do a 10-second flash and go in and with Summer Sky, which is a nice blue. Do her little bonnet. I'm not going to cure that yet because I've got no other colours near it. I'm going to use Jaffa Cake, orange scarf for a neck chief. Mix a little bit of Jaffa Cake and sherbet lemon on my palette. Do a beak. Right, flash that. Another 10 seconds please. Now I'm using Cyanide, which is a green. Do some little like polka dots, like a random pattern on a neck chief. Also going to pop some flowers, like stems, a couple of leaves. Using Trixie, nice pastel pink. There we go. Flash that for 10 seconds please. Now to do the detail on her, using Serious Black. I said it was like a sketch, so I'm not defining every bit of detail. I'm just quickly going round. There you go, pop that under the lamp and we'll do that for 30 seconds and then I know all the colours are cured. So I'm going to go in with Cyanide and do some random nails out. Add some leaves. I am literally like sketching with a brush. Really, really quick design using Matcha, like a pastel green, just like dabbing it on. Do another stem. I'm going to do a little butterfly using Candy Apple. Everything's a very basic base layer. So when I go over with the black, that's when I add in my detail. So pop them under for 10 seconds, please. candy apple, dab the colours on. Also going to use a bit of that Trixie. Just gives that flower a little bit of depth. Use Jaffa Cake. And I'm going to do the same type of flower because it's just really quick, easy. It's really effective. A little bit of Snow White. I'll pop a little bit of Snow White on there as well. Sherbet Lemon. Down the bottom. Use Summer Sky. Just doing lots. You could do this with a dotting tool. Just lots of dotting motion. I just find it quicker with a brush. Right. And pop that under, another 10 seconds please. Use some Snow White. And it just gives it a little bit more depth. A bit more blue. And I'm just layering all my colours on top of each other. Do my butterfly now. Go around the wings. Right. Pop that under, 10 seconds please. Do a little bit of detail on the butterfly. Again, some of the flowers. Pop them in, another 10 seconds. So I'm using cashmere and firewood, mixing them two together just so I can get like a brown. Like, it really does not need to be perfect. That's his chest. That's where his legs are going to be. He's going to have his jacket here, so that's going to be in blue. I definitely have an idea of where everything's going to go before I put it on the nail. Right, pop that under, 10 seconds please. I'm going to mix cashmere and Snow White together just to make a lighter colour for a little bit more of his detail in his ears. And I'm just constantly adding random bits of colour. Right, pop him under again. So I'm using Summer Sky for his jacket. I love how pigmented these colours are. And use a bit of green. Just looked a bit plain. Pop that under, 10 seconds please. Draw his little hands together here. Add in a little bit of shadow. I know it doesn't look much, but as soon as the top coat goes on that, you'll see all the different colours and layers that I've used. Pop him under, 10 seconds please. Now for all the detail in black. Do his whiskers. Again, same as how I did with Jemima, and just quickly going around the design. I think this will be perfect for Easter. Right, pop them under for 10 seconds please. And do your thumb, just load the brush up. Bit of green, brushes down here, another green, candy apple. I'm not touching the green, I'm just going around it for now. Just a bit of the blue. Just remember those greens are all still wet. Pop that under 10 seconds please. I'm going to use a bit of orange, so now I can go over that green. Clean my brush, yellow. I'm going to use a little bit of white just in with that. And the green, just fill that out. Yep. pop that on another 10 seconds, please. Once you're happy with the design, go in with the Urban Graffiti top coat, seal that in. Always do my thumbs separately to the fingers. So if you have your hand flat, it might roll off the side. So if you can hold on to the lamp, thank you. You'll see now when I put a top coat on what I mean by the layers of colour. Pop that hand under my cuticle oil. There we go. Got Beatrix Potter Peter Rabbit. There's not too much detail. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and all the products are listed below. And I'll see you next time. Bye!
Here's what we're trying to do. Thanks.